What is going on, guys? We're back with another video, and as you can see, the Challenger is gone for right now. I dropped it off this morning. We're actually getting the windows tinted this morning, so we went over to Sunstoppers in Chattanooga and dropped it off at 8 o'clock this morning. They say it'll take about 3 hours to get it done, and then we'll be getting 35% on the doors, and then we'll be getting 20% on the back glass and the back quarter windows. So I'll show you what that looks like. I'm super excited about this. Stay tuned, and we're gonna go pick this up in just a couple hours. All right, guys, we are in the car, and I'm gonna show you what the window tint looks like. We have 35% on the passenger and the driver's side windows. Then we also have 20% in the back and 20% on the back glass. So inside the car, it doesn't really look that dark at all, but when we go out, you can see, you can tell a difference there between the back glass and here, how the difference of the darkness is. But let's look outside the car. And you can see there's the 35%, which is legal for Georgia. These are 20%. And the back glass is also 20%. And so, just looking at it, you can see pretty much through. Look at it from the side, you can see through the glass to the other side, but the back is a little darker. But I don't think that difference is gonna make, I don't think it's gonna make that big of a difference, at least at night or anything. Everything seems to be okay. But yeah, 35, 20. So if y'all have any questions, I got this tint at Sunstoppers in Chattanooga. I would highly recommend them. They did a good job, really quick, easy to work with. It was actually pretty cheap too, but it looks great. And if y'all have any questions, let me know. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe and have a good day.